Hey, welcome back to part 3. Like I was saying, I noticed if you double tap on the little button, it automatically sends you into car mode. Which means like you can be like, oh hey yo, oh yeah, I got picked up. What did I got picked up from the store? Eggs, milk, cheese, pick up a pizza, oh yeah, you want, oh no, you want some Burger King? Well, too bad, I'm here at McDonald's, alright? So you're either getting a Big Mac, or you're getting nothing. It's like, but I don't want a Big Mac. But guess what? Since you ain't getting a Big Mac, you get a Big Smack. Now which would you rather have? Fine, guess maybe another it's a Big Mac. You ask me, Big Mac or a Big Smack in the face? I'll say a Big Mac. I don't want a Big Mac attack, not a Big Smack in the face attack, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, but seriously, for real, how they had us up, it's not the best. I mean, for $13, okay, it's probably cheaper than spending, $160 at the Apple Store, then wait in line to take your name and wait in line again more time just for them to get you your product to then finally tell you, hey, what do you want? Well, I wanted you to get my product 6.5 freaking hours ago. That's what I want. I wanted you to go get a freaking time machine, go rewind, and say, hey, when you're in line, grab you by your shirt and say, hey, look, you ain't get take my name. I ain't waiting no 6.5 freaking hours, which is another 5.5 hours from now. You go in the bathroom, you grab my freaking iPod AirPods 2s, the ones that just been released. You go reroll to the front desk. I sweat the money on the counter. You give me the receipt. You fold it over. I get the F out here. That's what I want. None of this. Yeah, okay. It's been like an hour and a half. We see you walked around the store. You're like, okay, I'm looking at this. I want this. If no one comes, I'm whipping the storm out off of the display stand and I'll run it out here. Because I don't care. Because, I ain't waiting like 3.5 days in line for someone to say, hey, how can I help you? How can you help me? How am I doing your freaking job, you moron, and get my damn product? You see that I'm honestly interested in, like AirPods 2, because I'm standing right there next to the AirPods 2 case. And when you're like, hey, can I take your name to put on the list? It's like, hey, no. Hey, why don't you go do your freaking job and do that? Otherwise, I could get a service dog that could do it better. I could get a monkey that could do it better. Heck, I could get actual Siri to do it better. I could get Katana to do it better than this. Than what you're doing. So, yeah. Like I said, Apple Store, people that work at Apple Store is stupid. Their policy is kind of stupid. They make you wait in line to tell your name, to put you on a list, to then wait in line again before the people can actually ask you, what do you want? What do I want? I want your price. That's why I'm in your store. If I didn't want your price, I want to be in your store, I'll go buy it from someone else. Online, or go to Walmart, or Target, or Myers, and someone else that has your product, okay? So why do you have to feel I'm here in your store? Let's see. Do you sell houses in the Apple Store? Do you sell cars? No, you're not an auto dealership? You're not a real estate agent? Well, why do you want to be in your freaking store, you moron? Do you sell food? Do you sell like pizzas here? Do you sell like